Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower yesterday with soybeans leading the way to the downside. Kind of continued profit taking after it had its run up after Thursday's USDA report. So we've all been higher this morning. We've got a couple of reasons why. First of all, we had FSA data released this morning on planted acres and then also prevent plant acres. So they added some prevent plant acres. That's helping to support the market since those were released. We also had crop progress yesterday. So we're just going to go over crop progress here. If you want to take a look at the FSA data, log on to grainanalyst.com, go to the daily report. It'll all be there for you. But it's just a whole lot of numbers to go through this morning. And since we normally cover crop progress in this report, that's what we're going to stick to this morning. So let's take a look at those. All right, get the whiteboard, slide on in here. All right, so here we go. So good, excellent ratings for corn and beans. Came in at 53% for corn and 50% for beans. That's a 1% decrease from last week for corn and a 2% decrease for soybeans. So you can see that the heat and lack of rain is continuing to stress the crop. And then we've got corn maturing and beans dropping leaves. And corn mature came in at 22%. That's a 13% increase from last week. And then beans dropping leaves came in at 26%. That's a 15% increase from, 15% increase from last week. And then corn harvested, we actually got some data. We weren't really expecting to see that, but we actually got it yesterday. So harvested came in at 4%. This is the first round of data that we got for that. And then also winter wheat planted came in at 12%, 7% increase from last week. And then the spring wheat harvest came in at 90%, which was a 10% increase from last week. So again, that covers just a selection of the crop progress data. There's a ton of it for the corn market released. You can't fit it all on that little whiteboard. And along with the FSA data, head over to, again, grainanalyst.com. Go to the daily report there. It'll have all that information over there to you. As mentioned earlier, the markets are being supported. We had the drop in condition ratings and also had more prevent plant acres than the FSA August report. So those things are all helping to support the markets this morning, and we'll see how they trade throughout the day. But as of right now, they're all currently higher. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.